Financial institutions lose $180 billion annually to AML compliance. Current systems have 95% false positive rates. The biggest problem? Banks cannot share fraud intelligence due to Bank Secrecy Act and GDPR regulations. Same fraudsters simply move from one bank to another undetected. Introducing AML Prediction Network, a privacy-preserving fraud detection system built on Canton Network. We use prediction markets to enable banks to collaboratively detect fraud without sharing customer data. Banks stake predictions on transaction fraud probability and weighted risk scores are calculated across the network in real time. Let me show you how it works. This is the main dashboard. Here we can see network statistics. 1,247 transactions analyzed, 23 fraud cases detected, 89% detection accuracy, 68% reduction in false positives. Below we see recent suspicious transactions. Each shows the risk score, amount, and destination. Notice this transaction flagged with 85% risk score. Let's see how the network made this decision. Here's the prediction market for that $9,500 crypto exchange transaction. 3 banks have submitted their predictions. Bank A, 85% fraud probability, staked $200. Bank B, 75% fraud, staked $150. Bank C, 70% fraud, staked $100. The system calculates a weighted risk score, 78.3%. Based on this score, the recommendation is enhanced due diligence. If the score exceeded 80%, the transaction would be auto-blocked. The key innovation: no customer data was shared, only anonymized behavioral patterns and risk predictions. This is our pattern library. Banks share anonymized fraud patterns they've detected. Classic structuring, detected 12 times, 94% accuracy. Crypto exchange laundering, 8 detections, 87% accuracy. Smurfing networks, 5 detections, 91% accuracy. Here's how it works. When a bank detects fraud, the pattern is hashed and anonymized. No customer names, no account numbers. Only the behavioral signature is shared through Canton Network's selective disclosure. The technical architecture: 8 DAML smart contracts handling prediction markets, reputation scoring, and pattern matching. Canton Network provides the privacy layer with selective disclosure. Multi-party computation ensures data never leaves individual banks. React frontend for real-time visualization. The impact potential: 30% reduction in false positives equals $50 billion industry-wide savings. Real-time detection instead of weeks or months delay. Fully compliant with BSA Section 314B and GDPR. Network effects: accuracy improves with every bank that joins. AML Prediction Network transforms fraud detection from isolated silos to collective intelligence, all while respecting privacy regulations. Built for Canton Network's prediction markets track.